Hello and welcome to another modeling video. This is Alan from the Makoto Man at YouTube with another event video. First in 2 years, the Oz Comic Con Animanga at Melbourne Exhibition and Convention Centre, 11th and 12th of December. We have covered events and the back end for many years, and things are a bit different, yet the same with QR registration, masks, sanitation, but at the same time, a lot of it didn't quite work out and seemed dubious while a major outbreak is still going on in the city. Regardless, we took the risk, attended, and ran the modelling and Gunpla workshop, a collaboration effort of the Animanga activities area, my workshop, and the Salt Mine hobby shop. A small 10-meter area with a few tables, a few basic kits and tools for sale, and a handful of specialist volunteer staff to assist in building and introducing people in the hobby on a one-on-one session. We had complimentary tools for first timers, plus a range of very basic snap kits to put something together as a first taste in the hobby. A competition display area where numerous experienced and returning members showcased some work, exchanged builds, projects, and really got a chance to socialize, exchange ideas, and inspire and teach one another, definitely in an effort of problem solving and group improvement. This is an aspect I felt that I've definitely missed over the past few years. I normally feel these very large events are just a cash grab with retail space, the common walk areas just for people to show off creative endeavors through costuming, props, and art, and everyone being drawn in through guests and very limited items for sale, with very little space for grassroots movements, clubs, and activities. The few workshops that I've done has been more of a corporate sponsorship to promote a brand of toys or activities with very heavy rules and stipulations. This event was named Oz Comic Con Grassroots, minus the celebrity guests and international attention, focusing throughout the hall all on an artist alley and independent artists, publishers, all that, very small amount of retailers, and even clubs and activities showing off props, toy collections, and the 501st doing what they normally do. Animanga, a completely separate all-anime convention I normally work with, were contracted to hold the activities area and held a large amount of space for drawing, ball-jointed dolls, trivia, a maid cafe, video games, and card games, us being a part of that whole package. Within safety and decency reason, we were given almost unlimited resources, spaces, and anything that we required, and I got a sense of freedom in just sharing the hobby as we did in the old days of actual fan-run and non-profit conventions such as Manifest in more than a decade ago. This is in an effort to make sure an event occurs in some capacity, success or failure, to hold on to sponsors and making sure events are ongoing. Quite a bit of funding was provided by the Victorian government in kickstarting the event industry. On the retail front, there was only one store that was selling Gunpla and model kits, though that was not a big deal here or there. It was a decent enough of a turnout and interest of people participating. Overall, for the rest of the convention, that I definitely also missed and love is the amount of creative people showing everything from costumes to original characters, roleplay, and storytelling. All in all, I had an absolute blast running it and attending it, and it seems that the feedback among our attendees and everyone involved was very positive. A lot of events are on hiatus or not running at all, even fusing. Only the future will tell what is in hold for next year and how it will look in 2022. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, until next time, catch you guys later.